I want to show you some of the innovative new technologies that we're developing for intelligent search, our administrative thinking partner that helps developers and administrators manage their org with artificial intelligence. Now let's say I wanted to look at some of my flows, so I would focus on metadata types and select some grounding data. Now I've selected a flow, but this flow is very big and takes up 91% of my available tokens. Let's try to ask questions about it anyway. What does this flow do? Provide detailed functionality. And just like that, our intelligent assistant provides a detailed description of everything that flow does. But how does that work? How did we take a large metadata object and make it fit inside the token limits? We can look right here and show our grounding data and see that there's a lot of information that was provided about that flow. Well, the way we do this is we can dynamically expand and contract the size of any metadata asset so that it fits inside the token limit. Let me show you how. Here's a demo of this technology in action. We have a metadata asset, in this case a custom object, that takes up 42K, which will exceed almost any token limit. But we can gracefully trim that down to just the most important parts of the custom object, to where it easily fits within any token limit. And we did that by ranking every single element name in the entire metadata API with a numeric score that says how important that particular type of field is. This lets us dynamically scale any piece of metadata to the available tokens. So that's how we work with metadata. But what if you want to select some data records? If you're focused on data records, then the grounding data lets you select any number of objects as the parent. In this case, I'm going to select account. And then I can select any number of children, and I can relate these children to the parent with record limits, including filters. This allows us to precision target the grounding data that's selected. And then I can select the fields. The fields will automatically be selected for you in order of priority. If you have some particular field that you want to introduce, you can move that in and change the priority as desired. Now let's take a look at this selection. This record data is using 177% of my available tokens. I'm way over the limit. Let's do it anyway. Create a CSV report of opportunity names versus win-loss and days to close. And just like that, we get the report that we asked for. This works because the record data is dynamically compressed to fit within the token limit. If you take a look at the grounding data, you will see that most of the important fields are still available. All right, that's a quick look at some of the advanced technologies that we're developing for intelligent search.